You want to know what ruffles my feathers is groceries are so dang expensive. I have a family of 4, and I probably spend at least $200 a week on groceries alone. What is happening? And by the end of the week, we're ready to go back to the store because our fridge is about empty. And my kids are fruit fiends. So yeah, I just bought bulk of strawberries at Aldi because they're 99 cents today. I practically have to take out a dang loan every month just to go grocery shopping. It's absolutely insane.
Especially with a big family. And $200 a week, that's pretty good. I mean, you guys are barely eating. For my family, it's a lot more than that. And it's not every week, it's every other day. Spending that amount of money on groceries, every store run, we make a couple a week, it's a couple hundred. And guess where we're going? Walmart. So we had to switch it up. Now we go to Food for Less and Aldi's instead to get a better deal, better bang for our buck. Soon, this keeps going, we won't have to shoot on over to Dollar Tree. But we can't, we're not going to buy our meat there.